Friends, have you ever felt like you're standing at a crossroads where the past is a heavy weight and the future feels uncertain? Maybe you've been through a storm that shook you to your core. You've battled, you've cried, you've felt lost. I want you to know something, and I want you to hear it deep in your soul. Your struggle was not in vain. The universe, God, life, whatever you call that higher power, has seen your tears and your resilience. And a new season is dawning for you. Think about it. Every challenge you've faced, every obstacle you've overcome has been preparing you for something greater. It's like a blacksmith forging a sword. The metal has to go through the fire. It has to be hammered, shaped, and refined. It's an intense, painful process. But what emerges is a blade that is strong, sharp, and purposeful. That's you. You have been forged in the fires of adversity, and now you are stronger, wiser, and more ready than ever before for the blessings that are coming your way. The universe works in mysterious but beautiful ways. It often closes one door not to punish you, but to guide you toward a better one. Sometimes, the things we thought we wanted, the paths we were so sure were ours, were actually holding us back. The end of a relationship, the loss of a job, a change in circumstances, these moments can feel like failures. But what if they are actually course corrections? What if life was gently, or maybe not so gently, nudging you away from what was merely good, to make room for what is truly great? Now is the time to open your heart and your hands. For too long you might have been clinging to the past, replaying old wounds, holding on to what was. But you can't receive a new gift if your hands are full of yesterday's troubles. I want you to take a deep breath with me right now. Inhale peace, and as you exhale, consciously release the pain, the regret, the what-ifs. Let them go. They served their purpose. They taught you lessons, but their time is up. Your future is calling, and you need to be present to answer. The blessings coming your way might not look exactly like what you imagined. They might be even better. It could be a sudden opportunity that seems to fall from the sky. It could be a new person who walks into your life and understands you in a way no one ever has. It could be a surge of creativity, a newfound passion, or a sense of inner peace that feels like coming home. These are not coincidences. These are the universe aligning in your favor. These are the rewards for your endurance. I know it can be hard to believe this, especially when you're still feeling the echoes of the storm. Doubt is a powerful voice. It will whisper that you're not worthy, that good things don't happen to you, that it's all just a fantasy. But your spirit is stronger than your doubt. Your hope is more powerful than your fear. You have to actively choose to believe in the good that is coming. You have to look for it, expect it, and be ready to welcome it with open arms. Start paying attention to the small signs, the synchronicities, a song on the radio that speaks directly to your heart, a stranger's smile that brightens your day, a sudden feeling of clarity about a problem you've been wrestling with. These are the whispers of the universe, letting you know that you are on the right path and that something wonderful is just around the corner. Acknowledge them. Be grateful for them. This gratitude creates a positive energy that attracts even more blessings into your life. Remember, you are a co-creator in this journey. The universe is ready to deliver, but you have to do your part. This means taking care of yourself. Nurture your body with good food and rest. Nurture your mind with positive thoughts and learning. Nurture your soul with joy, with nature, with connection. When you raise your own vibration, you become a magnet for high vibrational experiences. Good things are drawn to a happy and hopeful heart. Let's talk about forgiveness. This is a big one. Forgiving others is important, but even more crucial is forgiving yourself. Forgive yourself for the mistakes you made, for the times you felt you weren't strong enough, for the chances you didn't take. You did the best you could with what you knew at the time. You are human. Self-condemnation is a cage that keeps you trapped in the past, but forgiveness is the key that sets you free. When you forgive yourself, you are telling the universe that you believe you are worthy of a fresh start. Imagine your life as a garden. For a while it may have been overrun with weeds, the weeds of sorrow, anxiety, and hardship. You've been doing the hard work of pulling those weeds, one by one. It was tiring, back-breaking work. But now, the soil is cleared. It's fertile and ready. The blessings that are coming are the seeds. Your job now is to plant them with faith. Water them with positivity and give them the sunlight of your attention. And soon you will see a garden of abundance, joy, and fulfillment blooming all around you. Your story is not over. In fact, the most beautiful chapter is just beginning. All the pain, all the waiting, all the moments you wanted to give up, they were all leading you to this moment, this turning point. You are standing on the brink of a breakthrough. The tide is turning. The winds of change are blowing in your favor. So, stand tall, lift your head, feel the sun on your face. Know, deep in your bones, that you are loved, you are supported, and you are destined for greatness. The hardships of your past do not define your future. They have refined you for it. Your scars are not signs of weakness. They are symbols of your strength, proof that you have overcome what was meant to break you. A new wave of blessings, of happiness, of abundance is on its way to you. It's not a matter of if, but when. And it's coming sooner than you think. Get ready to receive it. Get ready to live the life you were always meant to live. The universe has heard your prayers. The wait is over. Your time is now. Thank you so much for listening and sharing this space with me. If this message resonated with you, please consider sharing it with someone who might need to hear it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to uplift and inspire you on your journey. Remember, you are incredibly powerful, and your best days are ahead. See you in the next video.